Imagine typing a simple sentence, like a cozy living room with a fireplace and bookshelves, and watching a fully detailed 3D scene pop up, complete with realistic textures, lighting, and even the ability to walk through it. That's the power of text to 3D scene generation. But until now, it's been like trying to build a house with a broken blueprint. Existing tools struggle with consistency, automation, and flexibility, like assembling a puzzle where the pieces don't fit. Enter DreamScene, a revolutionary framework that's rewriting the rules. Let's break down how it works step by step. First, DreamScene tackles the big challenge of scene planning. Instead of humans manually designing every detail, it uses GPT-4, the powerful AI language model, to read your text prompt. Whether it's a simple description or a back-and-forth dialogue, GPT-4 infers not just what objects are needed, but their sizes, relationships, and spatial constraints. Think of it as an AI interior designer sketching a rough layout, placing a couch near the fireplace, books on shelves, and ensuring nothing overlaps. But how does it turn this plan into a 3D world? That's where the graph-based placement algorithm comes in. It converts the AI's sketch into a hybrid constraint graph, mapping out object-to-object and object-to-environment relationships. Then a smart algorithm called GCP, graph-based constraint placement, arranges each item, avoiding collisions and ensuring physical plausibility, like a digital architect making sure your virtual living room feels real. Now here's the magic: formation pattern sampling, FPS. This step uses multi-timestep sampling to balance detail and consistency. Imagine training a 3D model to generate a chair by analyzing thousands of examples, but doing it faster and with more control. FPS eliminates unnecessary complexity, creating high-quality, editable 3D objects in seconds. It's like having a 3D printer that not only builds your object, but also lets you tweak its shape or texture on the fly. But what about making sure the whole scene looks cohesive? DreamScene uses a progressive camera sampling strategy. It starts by capturing the scene from a central viewpoint, then adapts based on whether it's an indoor or outdoor setting. For a room, it randomly picks angles. For a cityscape, it circles around like a drone. This ensures every perspective aligns, avoiding the multi-headed artifacts that plague older methods. And the best part? DreamScene doesn't just create scenes, it lets you edit them. Want to move the couch? Change the wall color? Add a moving car? You can adjust object positions, swap textures, or even animate elements in 4D. It's like having a virtual sandbox where you can experiment without starting from scratch. This isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a leap forward for industries like gaming, film, and architecture. Imagine designers sketching entire worlds in minutes or filmmakers prototyping scenes without complex software. DreamScene's combination of automation, consistency, and flexibility makes 3D creation accessible to more people than ever. But how did researchers prove its superiority? They tested it in 3 key ways. First, generation time, how fast it creates a scene. DreamScene does it in just 1.5 hours, matching the speed of the fastest tools while keeping quality top-notch. Second, they used a metric called R-precision to check if the generated images actually match the text. And third, they ran a user study with 100 people who rated the scenes on quality, consistency, and rationality. Basically, does it make sense? DreamScene crushed the competition, scoring the highest in every category. So what's the secret sauce? 2 smart tricks. First, their time window strategy, a way to balance speed and detail during training. They found that gradually adjusting the time steps in their algorithm led to better results than fixed intervals. Think of it like learning to paint. You start with broad strokes, then refine the details. Second, 3D Gaussian filtering, a technique that compresses data to save memory without sacrificing quality. It's like a photo filter that makes your files smaller, but keeps the picture sharp. What's next? The team wants to improve spatial reasoning, like placing tiny objects on shelves, and expand into 4D dynamics, where entire scenes evolve over time. Imagine a virtual city that changes with the weather or a forest that grows and shifts. The future of AI isn't just about creating images. It's about building worlds that breathe, adapt, and respond to your imagination. Thanks for watching. If you want to see DreamScene in action, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the future of AI. Until next time.